has failed to ensure adequate and regular household water supply connections under Jal Jeevan Mission, leaving many areas without access to safe drinking water. Sir, Jal Jeevan Mission si amna maroi alno masigi si thabak si paket khare haidana mayam ama koi completion report mayam ama leire aduna masigi si at the ground field that is masi ude aduna masigi si hojik completion tawre hariba hoigi household tap connection se masi summi bra haibasima ana hangni. At the same time, sir, in this regard, our honorable MP Shri Dr. Bimola Kujam, he also have filed one PIL against this failure of these household tap connections in the High Court, sir. So, aduna masi si kitang clear way na clarification nama PB jagdi amna phani khali, sir. And at the same time, sir, hoigi masigi several tongan ba overhead things me am sing si saba hauraga lotion dadana leiba su me am lei aduna masigi thengthari basigi maram si karino haibasi masu khangningi, sir. Then, sir, adegi pipeline masigi program da yaw khiba me am sing do pipeline si fajana akhoi cover up taw da baitar my scheme do da yaw liba sing as per DPR the pipelines were not connected properly. So why is the reason that behind, sir? Adegi water supply sigi infrastructure leiba me am sigi poor quality construction da masi khara maintain taw da ba khota ba sigi maram si kari lei simasu ai khangni, sir. Masiga mari leina na, sir, honorable speaker gi through the honorable minister gi masigi aina hangjaning basi the total amount sanctioned and the release under the Jal Jeevan Mission for Manipur sima ai khangning, sir. Number 2, masigi mana kon gadoriba village household sikayano, the number of villages and the household that have actually received functional tap water connections are number 2. Sir, the reason for delay in completion of many water supply schemes across the state, sir. And in some years back, I went to Jiribam. The construction was, when I see, it's very fantastic that the construction is the quality is very poor, and the construction is not completed as yet, and that's why. So I just want to get a clarification for reason why it was delayed, and it is delayed till that, sir. Number 4, sir, steps taken to ensure transparency and the proper monitoring of the implementation of this scheme, sir. Last point, sir, the timeline by which all pending works will be completed and the regular water supply ensured to the people, sir. Sima akhoi Jal Jeevan Mission ga mari leina nain hangjaningi, sir. Ani suba point da degi siga mari leina na Jal Jeevan Mission gi makha da saba aigi kendra da wangkheme sigi charangpat mamang likai da saba construction akhoi gi overhead ama masigi jida in a move tawjabase regards the failure of the Public Health Engineering Department of Manipur to complete the construction of the various water supply schemes in Wangkemeshi, particularly the construction of the overhead water tank at Charangpat Mamanglekai, thereby depriving the residents of adequate drinking water supply, sir. Sir, masida hangningi si, sir, masigi honorable deputy CM da mamang da su masigi portfolio si paibirami water supply aduda PhD si aduda mai matam da su sabirambani overhead tank ama saba si da sahi manga mu changjale aduna masigi maram si karigino contractor du na phajana masigi implement tawbidri si maram sima karigino haibasima khangningi aduna masi loisindabana maram orkanda sarangpar mamang lekaida asigi overrating si chaba loisindaba then madugi te akoi leidiba infrastructure atai related construction singdo madu na maram orkanda parjasingna shawwa adagi contractor na chaba loisindabadudi MLA da oina amuk shawre sir but masidi central government gi flagship program amani masigi construction operating ama sabda crore ahumari manga turuk we ai adugi madu masabada sahi manga hen sang basigi maramsi akhoi gi department sigi paikhaliba construction singsi kramaina tawri bajano masi sigi department sigi seriousness wali haibasimidi it shows that the concerned department is not serious on the implementation of this Jal Jeevan mission. Clear to way, sir. So I want to know the reason why it is delayed, sir. Aroi point sir, since you yamna maru oibani egi kendra dani sir. Sigi in the move to the regrets that the people of Waithau village are unable to get pipeline connections and are thereby deprived of drinking water in and around Waithau, despite the existence of water supply scheme at Waithau, sir. Waithau da ekoi water supply scheme si Thawal district ki ising pidanaba scheme si ani sagi. Aduga Waithau ki haiba locality to the pipeline connections si pidam. So will the people be happy, sir? Parjatu harawadraba. Habidi district Thawal district ki water supply scheme am sare. Ani sare. Whole district se pidanaba. Or some district kendra pidanaba. Then aduga Waithau village sari sport to the pipeline connection se pidram. Aduna masi ban tawi kholi adagi muthong lon salani hai aina yamna democratically taw. Haidana aina advice taw jabdegi moi akan ba action di tawdi adu Waithau gi village da Thawal district ki saraga pipeline fu pi da bai base aina kari question aina kari answer pi ge ge praja tu da masi karam jaga da ya ka de ge then water supply scheme na mase within 24 hour pipeline connection si pi ge da ne madam the schemes are there, sir. Scheme do ma phab du lai re adu village to faurga atop kendra da atop jaga ising piraga scheme sari ba jaga pi da bhai basi praja sing tuna ai MLA son bane su taroidro adigi praja sing tuna department si kari ne hai logu de. This is the whole question, sir. Masi deprived of the rights of the people of Waithau village is depriving, sir. Adu masi gi si karam kan da pi gi de masi gi matang si de sir. This PR ki matamda Praja Singduna Deputy Commissioner to Sali Aduga you are high. You are high. Masih question di no you are
nothing. Aduna nothing. Apa wala am daing?
Apa bagira? Yes, okay. This is a positive point. Yes, you are there is. Mapan thokna phagadra ngaktan you are habsi. Okay.
Ngatang lip sila.
Ngaktan mapan thokon phanikal.